All right, today we're going to be doing an assignment where you compare prices from two stores. So over here on the right hand side, you'll see I have two stores listed. We have Sprouts and we have Food for Less. So when you click on them, there's going to be a link that pops up and you'll notice it opens up a new tab at the top of your screen. Okay. Go ahead and go back to the sheet and open up the other one as well. Click the link. And you should have at least two tabs at the top. You should have one for Sprouts. You should have one for Food for Less. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be listing the foods over here on the right-hand side. You can see I already picked up the food items for you because some stores have some items and other stores do not have the same item. So find your first item, which I listed as chicken. And we have it listed here as $1.88 per pound. Go back onto your sheet, click in the cell, be sure you have the right store, Food for Less. So we're going to click in this cell and we're going to type in 1.88 or 1.88. Go to Sprouts to their ad and find the same item. You'll have to look for it a little bit. There it is, we've located it. The picture looks a little bit different, but you can see your price right there. Click back on your sheet and enter the price for that store. Okay. For the rest of these items, I'm going to let you find the prices on your own. But I want to show you when you're done getting all the prices, how you're going to tally it up. You're not going to do it on paper and pen. You're not going to do mental math. You're not going to use a calculator. You're going to let the computer do the math for you. Do that by clicking the top price and dragging down to the bottom row. Over on the right hand side, you'll see this little function symbol. And because we want to add them up, we're going to choose sum. Your last step is just press the enter button on your keyboard. It'll total it up for you. Do the same thing on the other side. Click the top row, drag down to your bottom price. Press function, click sum, and press enter on your keyboard. You're just about done with the assignment. To wrap it up, you want to put in a chart. To do that, select the titles at the top, and again, drag all the way down to the bottom price, but don't include the total row. Go up to Insert and click on the word Insert. Click on Chart. Wait for a few seconds. You'll notice they put in a pie chart. We want to go over to the right-hand side and click on the bar graph that's going up and down or left and right. Just depends which one you prefer. You can choose either one. After you get the right looking chart, you can close out the chart editor by clicking on X. Click on the chart, click and drag it over so it's not blocking your info, and you're done with the assignment. When you're done with the assignment, go to the top tab, close it out because you don't need it, close the ad, close the other ad, and in Classroom, there will be a button for you to turn it in, and you can go to these other activities. That should be it.